Alright guys, we are back. We are going to do a quick session today maybe. We're going to be playing some Pearl $5 bets. Again, what we're looking for are 3 dolphins or 6 of the balls. Come on. Do something. One more. Come on. Oh, man. There we go. Alright, let's take a look right up at the top what we got going on. Oh, mini, minor, major. Alright, big numbers. Come on. There we go. Save it. There we go. Not bad. 175. Hopefully everybody is having a wonderful day. Come on. One more. There we go. Drop that major right in the middle. Come on, give me that major. That'd be amazing. Come on. Let's go. Something good. Come on. Bonus. Something. No. Last spin. Do it. Something. Okay. $57. We have been in a little bit of a slump on these machines. Hopefully we can get something. Come on, lightning link. Come on. Come on. Major 6,940. Maybe we'll get that to drop if we're lucky. Who knows? Come on, bonus. Don't stop now. One more. Come on, bonus. Where are you at? Come on. What is going on? You died on me here. Come on. Come on, two more. Let's go, bonus. Where are you at? Anyways, you know what, guys? I'm gonna. No, I was gonna see, but we'll save that free play for later. Come on, give me one more bonus. Come on. Nothing. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this one.